So welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are having queries regarding the 60 days POTD challenge. Here we'll cover all things in detail, and if you don't know about the event, you can check the video. I've shared it already. It's available on the description box, how to register and what is the criteria for this challenge. Now coming directly straightforward to the questions. The questions are that, first of all, will the swags be given to all or only to the some people? If you come over here, this is a main page and they have clearly mentioned that you need to start the challenge. Okay, so the challenge registration is from 13th of February till 19th of February. That does not mean if you are watching this video on 16th, 17th or 19th, you have missed the challenge. No, this is the time for registration period. After that, whenever you start, for example, if it's starting from 16 only, okay, then the 60 days will be counted from 16th. Okay, if you start from 17th, it will start from 17th. Okay, 60 days. So like this, you have to start. Now coming over here to your doubt that will everyone get the swags or only some people like we have for different events. So no, it's similar to Google Cloud Arcade. Everyone who completes the 60 days challenge, means who are consistent throughout the 60 days without breaking a single day, will be getting the swags which we have mentioned, that is bag, bottle, zipper, etc. Okay, pop socket and more. And apart from this, you'll be getting cool opportunity to boost your learning skills. Okay, DSA skills, coding skills, more. So I hope you understood that everyone will be getting the swags if you consistently post. Now the third query is that can we use the same account for technical scripter? Means we participated in different challenges in the Geek for Geeks, the technical scripter 2026. If you don't know about the event, for that also I have made a video. You can just check it out. Okay. So yes, you can see these are the videos, you can watch it and understand the challenge. So if you are participating in the technical scripter 2026, yes, you can use the same account. There is no limitation. And do not worry, try to participate with single account only. Do not create multiple accounts, because if they found multiple accounts being used in this challenge, chances are there you won't be getting the swags. And it happened before also. Okay. So this is not a new event. Only the partnership and 60 days streak is new. Otherwise, the POTD challenge is always from the beginning itself. Okay, this program means the Geek for Geeks was only famous for coding only. Okay, the practice problem that which they provide. Now the third query is that can we have a different LinkedIn account, or do we need to have the same email address with the same LinkedIn account? No, you can create a fresh LinkedIn account. Make sure it looks genuine, not fake. Okay, so you have to enter all your details on your LinkedIn account, like your college details, education qualification, your picture. If you don't want to add your picture, then also it's okay, but your basic details should be mentioned over there. Okay, now the next thing is that, okay, need to save files. So do we need to save the files? Means we have to post daily. Okay, we have to post daily in LinkedIn. If you don't do LinkedIn, it's a social networking site. So you have to simply post on the LinkedIn your question details and the problem and basic details like what you have learned. You can write a simple message. You can take the AI help for posting, but don't blindly copy every text. Okay, make sure to refine it. Now coming to the next query, do we need to save the files? Yes, you heard it right. We need to save the files, as you know that once you complete all the challenges on 60 day, you have to just write a post that how this program has helped you to achieve consistency, etc. Just a basic thing you have to mention to them. Means you have to just to share your experience with the program, and after that they will just verify all the entries, and after 27th of April they'll be sending a Google form with all the instruction. Like mostly they'll ask for LinkedIn link, your post details and basic feedbacks, and t-shirt or hoodie size, means whatever size if required. They'll be asking your address there, and once you submit you'll be getting the goodies. Now here they have mentioned that they may ask your screenshot also, so that's why it's not recommended, but it's a good practice. That sometimes what happens, your LinkedIn account may got blocked due to some reason. Some people reported that their LinkedIn accounts are disabled. In that case, what you need to do, you need to just save the files, create a parent folder, and just add the screenshot daily. How to add it, I'll show you a quick demo also. And we will be just sharing the post daily over LinkedIn. You can use, you have to use the tags also. You can see Geek4Geeks tags and NPCI tags. You have to do all the things. Let me show you a quick demo so that it will become easier for you to understand. Now from here, we have to simply open the problem of the day. So this is the problem of the day. That is meeting room. So simply click on solve problem. And these are the questions. You have to read the questions and understand the question first of all. Once you have understood all the questions, right, then you have to work on this code and just test your code whether it is working and generating the output or not. Then you have to click on compile and run. After that you have to submit. For most people are new and they need help, so for that I have created a Telegram group over there. I've attached the link in the description, you can check it out. Now here only you have to simply join, and I have shared the codes also so that you'll be able to complete the challenge without any issue. Now let me just update the code. So simply you have to replace the entire content and click on compile and run. Now here you can see we have got the expected output and true, means we have completed the challenge. Now once you complete the challenge and you have not got any error, simply click on submit over here. Okay, if you get error, do not click on submit. Now once it is done, you can see we have got a geek bit. So this is just a show that you have completed the challenge and you are in day 2. Okay, total current streak is showing 2. How will be verifying the streaks? I'll show you that also, do not worry. Now just close it and take the screenshot of this page. You can use sniping tool, control print screen, or whatever method you can use for taking the screenshot. Once you take the screenshot, okay, it's up to you if you want to take half screenshot both side, or you can just take the complete screenshot. Now click on save and just create a folder like GFG. Now mention here day 2 and hit enter. You can use Google Drive and upload all the images if you don't have space on your mobile or system. After that, you have to come to the LinkedIn page. Now here, you have to simply upload the image. Okay, upload the image which you just now saved. So I have prepared this template text. Okay, you can prepare from AI also, and you can just refine it. Just use your own words also. And you have to simply, you can refine this also and try to paste it. Just don't blindly copy and paste the entire thing. Now copy it over here and just paste. Click on next. Click on paste over here. Now we have to add the hashtags. So for the hashtag, come over here into 60 days POTD challenge. From here, just copy this hashtag carefully and just paste over here. Once you have done this, now we need to tag them. So these are the tags. So first of all, copy the first tag. Paste it over here. Okay, just try to hit backspace. And from here, just select the Geek4Geeks. This one, company education. Hit enter. Now from here, just select NPCI. You can simply paste it and just try to select this one. Now you have successfully tagged them and completely added your experience and code solutions. Now what you need to do, you have shared the problem stake. Okay. Now if you want, you can share the screenshot of this problem also. Okay. So you can just take the screenshot of this problem also and just save it. Day 2P. Come over here and just click on it. Click on plus icon and just update day 2P. So we have added two images, one solution and one for problem name. Now you have to simply verify everything and simply click on post. So once you have successfully posted, you have completed the first entry. A second entry or first day, whatever day you are watching the video. Okay, now you have to repeat this for consecutive 60 days. Means you have to repeat the same step of posting. Means you have to post daily on LinkedIn. By completing it, you have to attach the screenshot and post daily. And you have to keep all your screenshots for verification. Maybe they'll ask for screenshot. They will ask you to upload on Google Drive. This is rare, but keep all screenshot. As I said, you have to create a folder over there and just keep it for safe. Now coming over here to the next question, that if you are participating in POTD already, and if you started from 30, if you have completed the 13th February challenge also, you can just share the post and just tag them. Okay. Now the problem is that if you are starting from now and you haven't completed the problem on 13th of February, if you have not completed the problem on 13th of February and you're watching this video on 16th or 17th and you try to complete the 13th, 12th or 11th February challenge, will you be getting the streak? No, because the streak starts from the day you started the event. So if you're starting from 14th of February, the streak will start from 14th. If you're starting from 16th of February, it will start from 16th. So like this, you need to understand whatever day you are starting from, that day you have to continue till the final day, that is the 60th day. Okay, just calculate. It's very easy. Here in the streaks place also it will show. So you can see now it will show 2 days. Okay, you can see I completed this day also, this day also. So I'm having 2 days here, and the option is also there. You can see multiple options are there. How to redeem the gigabytes also, there will be some cool swags also. Apart from this, there are multiple swags also. Okay, so if you want to see what are the rewards and prizes, you can see these are the pop sockets, etc. Bags is there, t-shirt is there, coupon is there, and more things are also there. So take part in this event. If you still have any doubts, you can comment down below. I will try to answer all your queries. All your queries will be answered. How to claim the swags and solutions I have already covered for claiming the swags after completing the challenge. After 27th of April, you'll be getting the email with all the details how to claim the swags. For that also, I'll make a dedicated video. For solutions, if you face issue, I have created a Telegram group. You can join in and just complete the challenge. There is not an issue. And for other challenges, if you have any doubts, the most important doubt was that can I use the same account for technical scripter? Yes, you can use it. There is not issue. You'll be getting the swags if you complete the challenge throughout the journey, and make sure to take the screenshot and save it for future reference, because they may ask for day to any day screenshot. Okay, so just save the screenshot and you have to post daily. I repeat, you have to post daily the problem on LinkedIn. Okay, we recommend LinkedIn only, although they have mentioned the X handle also, but they have mentioned clearly post the screenshot on LinkedIn. So I think LinkedIn is compulsory. So it's very simple. Create a sample account and just participate in this challenge. And you must be posting for the Geek for Geeks other challenges also. If you need any other help, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. And if you want to participate in other challenges, you can always explore the channel. There are multiple challenges which are live over here. So take the benefit of the channel and opportunities. There are some cool certifications, Salesforce challenge and more. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.